Okay, so we've got a Venn diagram question here. We've got the universal set, it's the numbers between 11 and 20, and we want to group them into circle A, which is going to be the even numbers, and B, which is the multiples of 3. So if I draw my universal set, which is just a big rectangle, okay, and draw the two bubbles inside, label them A and B, and now we've got to distribute those 11 to 20 numbers inside the correct circles. Okay, so you can see that 12 is an even number, okay, but it's also a multiple of 3, so 12 has to go into that intersection in the middle, okay, as does 18. The other even numbers, which are 14, 16 and 20, will stay in A, and any prime number is neither an even number or a multiple of 3, will go on the outside, and the multiples of 3, I've put 11 there, that's clearly wrong, so 11 needs to go on the outside, so I'll just cross it out now. Okay. And 15 is the only odd number that's a multiple of 3, so it definitely goes into B. And so every other number I haven't listed has to go on the outside of these two circles. So that's going to be 11, 13, and 17, and 19. Okay, so now that I've constructed my Venn diagram, I'm able to answer the first question. That symbol, it's technically it's called the intersection, but we can call it A and B. So we have to ask which numbers are in A and B at the same time. So A intersection B is going to equal the set 12, 18. For sets we use the curly brackets called braces. Okay, for the second question it says A union B, or that's a posh way of saying A or B or both. So what numbers are in A or B or both? And you can see that we have 12, 14, 15, 18 and 20. 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. And for the last question, we have A dash, which means not A. So all we have to do is list all the numbers that are not inside the A circle, which is 11, 12, 13, 11, 13, 12 is in A, isn't it? 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, here's the examiner's report, and you can see that a lot of students didn't know what the union symbol looked like. It does look like a giant U though, so it shouldn't be too hard to remember, and it means or. And finally, let's have a quick look at the mark scheme, and you can see that these are all B marks, which means you have no choice, you have to write down the correct answer. Okay, no method marks.